Hey everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today we are going to make vanilla extract, homemade vanilla extract. And to do this you are going to need some type of alcohol, 80 proof alcohol, and some vanilla beans. And these are grade B. So we're going to put the vanilla beans in the little bottles here, and then we're going to fill our alcohol. Alrighty, let's get started. I ordered these little bottles online, and we're going to put 7 whole beans in each bottle. It's 2, 4, 5, 7. Try and push those down in there. There we go. And then first I'm going to use brandy. I've been wanting to do this since this year. It's just been hard to find everything. So I was looking up how to make my own, and it's pretty simple, but it does take a long time. It takes about 6 months. So I'm going to fill this all the way up. There we go. Oops. Alright, this is going to run out on the table. Put the little cap on. So these bottles came with these cool little stickers here. And I'm just going to label this one Brandy Vanilla Extract. On the top I'm going to put the date so that I know. I'm just going to put the date as 3/1. So I'll know when I put this away. I'm going to do the same for the next bottle. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next we're going to use some Irish whiskey. I'm so glad that they sent me this little funnel. I don't know if you can see this, but these are kind of greasy. I don't know how they dry these. I guess I need to look that up. I know that these come from an orchid, and I am not good with orchids at all. They were my grandma's favorite plant, but I cannot grow them. I can get them and keep them alive for a very short time, and I kill them. So I just don't even try. But this orchid turns into a vine, and it can reach up to 30 feet in length. I'm going to do both of these vodka. I put an extra bean in one because I was going to have one left over. I just don't want to stay down in there. Alrighty. And these are just 8-ounce bottles. If I lived in a warmer climate, I would definitely try and grow a vanilla bean plant, orchid. And you want to store them in a dark, cool place, which is why I got the amber bottles. we go. Alright, there we have it. We have 2 vodkas, a brandy, and an Irish whiskey. We're going to let this sit for about 6 months down in the basement, and I'll go down there about once a week and shake it, make sure everything's looking good, and I'll keep y'all updated. Thanks for watching, and if you've ever done this before, let me know how you did it and what you think of doing your own. I know that the brandy, the vodka, and the Irish whiskey are all going to have different flavors. I'm curious to see which one's going to be the best. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.